Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is Canon Pixma TR4756i. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network, add it to a mobile phone. What you need to do is you need to go to the panel and select setup button. It will show you setup mode, Wi-Fi setup. Then you select OK to Wi-Fi setup. Wi-Fi setup, easy wireless connect. Then you select OK. Will show you processing. Follow the instruction on the PC or smartphone, etc. The next thing to do is, depending on the device you want to use, we want to connect this with mobile phone. Go to Play Store and install Canon Print app. Open Canon Print app. Then select Add. Select Register a printer. Then select If printer cannot be found. We'll ask you, does your printer listed below? Then you select No. Select how to connect the printer. Auto connect. Does your printer have a button like this? Then you select Yes. Press and hold the button. Then tap the Next. Then you go to the panel. Press and hold this button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then release the button. Then tap and confirm. Then wait for the printer name to appear. Then select the printer. This may take 3 minutes. This is the printer, Canon IJ25503 TR4700 series. Select OK. When the printer is detected on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select Next. Connect device. Select Connect. Connecting to the device. Show you processing. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then you select Yes. Saving, communicating with the printer. This may take more than 150 seconds. And if you look on the printer, it will show you Easy Wireless Connect completed. Then you select OK. So it's connected. Then close this. This is the printer, TR4700 series online. So the printer is connected. And if you want to print out a document to confirm, then you select Document Print. Select Documents. Then select the document you want to print out from your phone. Select on the document. It's processing. These are documents you want to print out, 2-page document. Then you select Next. Select All. Then select Change Settings. Select Number of copies. Select the paper type as A4, same as the original. Media type, plain paper. We want to print it in color. 2-sided. Select 2-sided long edge. Then go back. Select Print. This is the document we printed out two-sided. And it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then you can go back to the home page. Then you select yes. And from this app, you can print document just like we did. You can print photo. You can scan document and do so many work. This is Canon Print app. Please do me a favor. Like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.